So we'll be doing this is the part one of the association rules. So basically, association rules are the events. That could be a person, that could be a shopping basket, uh, and so we provide some kind of association, means things that are associated together. So there is a consequent, there is an antecedent. If A happens, then B is likely to happen 30% of the time. That kind of rules, and that is applicable to the whole population. So this is not a study of individuals. So the part A is using the toolkit, and we get a descriptive statistics for the data set. We go here, and we have two files. One is a census file and one is a rows file. So I'll do for both, and one of them is for your homework. So this is the census file. It's got some 40,000 rows. This is from SAP. The actual file had many more rows, but then it takes a long time. So this is what the census as: age, working class, yes or no, what kind of education you have, the number of years, the marital status. So it is a census file at the end of the day. Native country, practically everybody is USA. And we can also look at the data. So these are the various, never married, married, divorced. So these are the various values in there. Where are they working? State government, state employees, private, relationship, race, sex, and if they made, reported any capital gains in their IRS, So we just go on doing next. All we have to do is to remember to click this checkbox, and then we do generate. And even for 1,000 rules, it takes some time. 40,000 rules, 40,000 rows in the data set. So we go here, we go to association rule explained, and so we might want to know, who exactly are these people who are unmarried in this data set. So many of them, do not lead to much interesting. And so we do search, and so this is the output. So this is the consequent, never married. The antecedent is somebody is between 17 and 19 years of age. The confidence means, if this is the age, then 97% of the time they are not married. The rule support 2,444 means that is the number of rows where both of these things are happening, or some 40,000, Then antecedent support is 2,510 rows in that 40,000, where this antecedent is there, and consequent again percentage, something like this, that is the consequent values are found. And so this is the thing that you can do in Toolkit. And what in this 33% means 1/3 of the whole data set, that is 40,000. Around 13,000 people were not married. This is what it means. And then the next one, data set, which is your part of the homework, is this A rules. Next, we analyze. So these are the various items in a market basket, and we can view the data. So this is what it looks like. So these are independent market basket that are also called as events in the association world. And this is a market, but this is a row is a shopping cart, but a row could be a person in a Facebook, and these various items could be: does the person like gun control? Does the person like green things? Does the person like, more taxation? Does the person like more, less schooling? So 1010 kind of combination. And then we can say, okay, if a person likes green technology as my consequent, what are the antecedents that are associated with this consequence? So that is the kind of um, analysis we do for the whole population. So association rules are not meant for any one particular person. This is, so you might be investigating a cluster of people who are, part of a society in Facebook and interested in science and technology, and you want to know, these kinds of attitudinal survey. So we go to next, and we click this one. We go generate, next, and association rules. So we might want to know, who are the ones that are. So maybe we have a lot of margin on liquor, which is usually the case. You have much less margin on food items than on liquor. So and we want to know, that what when a person is buying liquor, or a person is buying liquor, not this 0 or 1. What else is that shopping basket consists of? So we might arrange them together, or person who's buying a lot of antecedents to this consequent of liquor, we might send them promotional or coupons and things like that. So this is what it says: if a guy doesn't buy a biscuit but buys ice cream, then 98% of the time they are buying liquor. This is only 1,000 rules. And so the rules support 391, means there are out of 1,000 there are 391 rows that has ice cream and liquor in it. Rule size 3 means 2 of the antecedents and 1 of the consequence, that's 3 in number. Antecedent supports means there are 397 rows where the biscuits are 0 and ice cream is 1. And consequent support means there are 500 rows where you have liquor. So 500 rows out of the 1,000 people, they bought the liquor. So that is the kind of analysis that we get, and this is part of your homework.